Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is raw mango curry. In Kannada, we call it Mavinkai Gujju. Let's begin this recipe. First, let's boil raw mangoes, which I've cut into big cubes. I'll wait for the water to boil and then add the mangoes. Now the water is boiling. I'll add the mango pieces. I'll cover the lid and allow it to boil. While this is boiling, I shall grind the masala for this. Fresh grated coconut, fried gram, then this is roasted red chilies, and the mixture of roasted coriander seed, peppercorn, mustard, jeera. To this, I'm going to add in water and make it into a fine paste. Mango is half cooked. Time to add in the masala. With this, I'm going to add in salt to taste and jaggery, chilli, salt and jaggery again depends on the tanginess of the mango. Started boiling well. I'll simmer and close the lid and cook for another few minutes. While this is boiling, I shall do the seasoning. Oil is hot. I'm going to add in the mustard, few curry leaves. This is boiling enough. I'll turn off the flame of this too. Yummy mango curry is ready to eat. For more recipes, like and subscribe SBL Foods.